My friends, if you're planning to study in Germany, then one of the most important documents alongside your LOR and CV is the Statement of Purpose or SOP. A strong SOP can make a huge difference in getting admission to your dream university. In today's video, I will walk you through the entire structure, talk about a few key points and some do's and don'ts that can help you write a compelling SOP. I have also provided a free SOP questionnaire and a template that you can download by clicking on the first link in the description. A statement of purpose or SOP is a personal essay that explains why you want to study a particular program, why you chose a specific university, and how this program aligns well with your career goals. German universities often use SOPs to understand your motivation, academic background, and your career aspirations. Now, my friends, I presume you have opened the document that I shared with you. It has total of 3 pages, wherein the first and second page is your questionnaire consisting of 16 important questions. And the third page is the statement of purpose template, which has SOP structure in it. Now, if you have watched my previous video, then I shared with you LOR questionnaire and LOR template, which has similar formatting in it. If you recall, everything that I have highlighted in red needs to be answered by you. So once you finish with the questionnaire part, you can simply scroll down and come to the SOP structure. Here I have mentioned your SOP should be typically between 500 to 1000 words. Keep this in mind and only then start the draft. So if you scroll down, you will see the introduction part as well as academic background and all the headings. That is basically your logical flow and the structure that your SOP will have once you finish it. For your reference, I have also highlighted such statements in the blue color, which is nothing but it will help you to put all your content in the right place. So for the introduction part, you should only introduce yourself briefly and choose the field of study, why you have chosen it basically, and mention what inspired you to pursue this field. So similarly, if you follow along the headings and include everything that I have mentioned, then I am sure you will have a very strong SOP. So here are some key tips for your SOP to stand out. First of all, you need to be clear and concise. Avoid unnecessary details and only focus on what's important. In my SOP template that I shared with you, I have provided references that you can go through and only mention or put information that is relevant to the university you're applying to. Second, don't just tell but actually show. What I mean by this is use examples to demonstrate your passion and achievements related to your domain. Third, personalize for each university. Don't send a single SOP to all the universities you're applying to. You need to tailor your SOP for every single university that you apply to. I highly recommend you to make your SOP in such a manner that every single university that has provided their own criteria must be fulfilled, and the SOP should contain what the university is expecting the candidate to have. Fourth point, maintain a professional tone. Avoid casual language and keep your SOP engaging so the reader may read for have a longer attention span and at least read your SOP, or I don't know if they actually read or not, but just try to be precise on your side. Lastly, proofread and edit. I know most of us make grammar mistakes or any typo or any such mistakes. So just focus on your format, proofread that, and don't make such mistakes. And if you do, don't submit it unless you show it to someone so that they can go through it, because in most of the cases, if you make mistakes, it will only weaken your application. So review your SOP multiple times and then apply. And here are some common mistakes that you should avoid. First is copying from sample SOPs or basically anywhere from the internet or using AI like ChatGPT to write your SOP. My friend, I'm telling you, plagiarism will only lead to rejection of your application. So make sure you write your own SOP as no one knows you better than yourself. You should also stop being too generic and avoid using vague statements. Instead, be specific about your experiences and goals. You should also not exceed the word limit that is mentioned. I have also provided it in the SOP template, which is 500 to 1000 words in case you don't know. So make sure you maintain the recommended length and the readability. And lastly, lack of clarity. Ensure your SOP has a logical flow and a structure to it. And that's it. If you have been paying attention to everything that I said and sticked around till the end, then pat yourself on the back as appreciation from my side. If you found this video helpful, make sure you check out my Studying in Germany playlist where you'll find more such content. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.